you're into the business of performing security and audit reviews for Windows Server, it might be a hassle for you to access each of the security configuration individually, take screenshots, copy files, etc. I've been there and it was a headache for me. For this purpose, I've created an automated process to do the same. It prompts you with a simple menu to start Windows Server Audit and to exit. So what does it actually do? The Windows Audit exports many text files such as the GP result, local security policies, time zone and time settings, account settings, the running services. It will also perform a port scan and will tell you what are the ports currently open locally. It will export the logs, system logs, application logs, security logs. It will also tell you what is the current setting for the size set for the logs. It will also export the current signatures of the antivirus. In this case, it is a Trend Micro antivirus, so you just need to find the appropriate signature file. You can just play around with that if you're having a different antivirus client installed. I've used as well some VB scripts available over the internet to export the disk information and just to check the installed updates to see if the server is being regularly patched. The batch file will also export all the current tasks being run and the system information. At the end, I'm running MBSA, which is the Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer. I actually find it handy as it will give me some additional information that were not available above. So let's just close that and let's run the audit.bat file. So you just need to press 1, and of course you need to be logged in as an administrator in order for the script to be processed successfully. After you run it, you just go to the same directory and you'll see all the files being popped up here.